Hi, my name is Junior, Bilstein Shock Absorbers. We're out here at Easter Jeep Safari 2022, displaying some of our products here.
So this is the whole lineup of off-road specific shocks?
Well, not necessarily the whole lineup. We make everything from direct fit, light truck market shocks. We do our 5100 preload adjustable stuff. Then we get into our 6112s, which pair real well with our 5160s. And this is when we get into our more performance orientated line, which is our zone control 8112 direct fit, which is paired real well with our 8100 rear tunable bypass shock.
So do you have a cutaway on the table of,
we do.
of that one?
We do. We can go over there. Let me get you over here to this side real quick. This is this will be our universal off-road line. It's our 9200 series bypass. We have our 8125 coilovers. We did miss 7100 that should have been here, but we ran out of space. But let me show you our cutaway here.
So I saw a lot of Jeeps, like really impressive builds, running coilovers and bypass. And is that what they're running?
Yes, we have one over here with our 8125 coilovers, our 9200 bypass. So this is our off-road line, our universal off-road line. This is all stuff that's sold by dimension for fabricated use. So here's a 8125 60 mil coilover, 60 millimeter 3-tube bypass. In the back, I think this one is linked in the rear, running a coilover bypass or something.
So this looks like it's made to do some go fast desert running as well as off-road rock crawling.
It's definitely a multi-purpose vehicle. This has our 9100 series bump stops as well, with our 9200 bypass and our 8125 coilovers. I could take you over to that cutaway about that Jounce technology.
Yeah, they're like, so you guys are all together.
What do you wanna? This is a cutaway here of our. This is a cutaway of our 8112 zone control. It has multi-stage. So we have our telescoping Jounce bumper, rebound cutoff, full 60 mil piston. So it's several stages of dampening control, and it's a direct fit for Tacomas, 4Runners, you name it. If it has a coilover, we're going to introduce them for that market.
So all sorts of trucks, all sorts of SUVs.
Correct.
And run us through a scenario where this would be accelerating the performance of the vehicle off-road.
Well, it's just, this has all the chassis control you need. It has the internal Jounce, helps with all your bottom out control. RCO helps with your recovery. So when the vehicle is going back to static ride height after a real hard event, the RCO is what controls that. So you have all your technology right here to be essentially a go fast vehicle.
And a very nice clean package that basically bolts right onto the vehicle.
Direct fit, great for high speed use. Yeah, it's real good technology. There's just tons of shock for tons of fun for the dollar.
It's a good value and great performance.
Absolutely.
I think we'll be checking out more of the B8 zone control
8112s.
8112s.